So this is my video on editing the Chapter 2 ship program. I had decided to add another ship, which I call an enemy ship. I made a new header file for it, and then in the class I just called it enemy ship. Otherwise kept it all the same as like the ship header file. Then I had to create a new CPP file. In this CPP file we had to include the ship enemy ship.h. And then change all the pictures from in the assets to the enemy pictures, and then I didn't restrict it to any half of the screen. I just made it restricted to the full screen, so that it has free reign. I also did that to the regular ship as well, because I was going to try to do a little kind of a tag program, but I could never get the collision thing to work quite right, and I kind of ran out of time, and then these are the letters that make it independent on its own movement. Then on the game.h file, I just added it to the game specific, the enemy ship class, and then the game CPP, I had to add the enemy ship.h. As we scroll down, had to add the enemy ship process keyboard here for the input, so it'll independently move. And as we scroll down, here we're creating the ship and setting the position. I set the regular ship on the left hand to start on the left hand side of the screen, and the enemy ship to start on the right hand side. And then I basically went out to the internet and I found a picture to make it kind of look like an aquarium. So that's what my new background is going to be. I kept the stars because it worked really well. It kind of looks like bubbles, so it kind of worked very well. Other than that, everything else is basically the same. I didn't have to change anything else. So as I run it, here we go. We got my aquarium kind of scene, stars in the back. The ship number 1, the regular ship, it moves independently all the way across. And then we got the regular one. And it'll stop there, goes up, down. And they both move at the same time. What I was trying to do is see if I could get them if they collided at the end, but every time I would try to do it, I couldn't get the program to ever recognize what I was trying to do. So, like I said, I ran out of time. But that's my edit of this game. Thanks.